Okay, so this just came in, according to the fake news, if we can believe it. They said the Supreme Court has said that a death row inmate's conviction is going to be overturned based on false evidence, and there's going to be a new trial. Hopefully I said that right. That means that the original trial is going to be thrown out, and he's going to be retried again. Which is kind of interesting, because what is that thing called that everybody, oh my gosh, mainstream media, it's fallen out of the mainstream media right now. That thing of being tried twice. Now, the thing about that is that there's always been all this stuff in the media about, I think isn't it called habeas corpus, that you can't be retried twice? But what is an appeal? An appeal is being retried twice. You know, if you didn't get a fair conviction, or the information that was submitted was false against you. So that would mean that there has to be the means, you know, it's like, otherwise it's just one person's way, my way or the highway, isn't it? Okay, so what this says, the Supreme Court is throwing out an Oklahoma death row inmate's conviction over a flawed trial. And I mean, this would indicate to me then, like, well, how many cases have to go up to the Supreme Court based on being a flawed trial? Or are there lower courts in each state who can assess things done through the court system as being flawed trials? That's what I would want to ask. Now, it says the Supreme Court on Tuesday threw out Oklahoma death row inmate Richard Glossip's murder conviction because a key witness lied in court and prosecutors withheld information from him. The decision, a rare victory for a death row inmate at the conservative court, means prosecutors now have to decide whether to put Glossip on trial again. The court was divided on throwing out Glossip's conviction, with conservative Justice Neil Gorsuch not participating. So I guess that would mean they would have just left him on death row indefinitely. Glossip, age 62, was convicted of arranging the murder in 1997 of his boss at the Oklahoma City motel where they worked. Uh-oh. He's been on death row since 1998 and has faced imminent execution on several occasions.